Hey guys, we're back on Minecraft. With Chester and whoever that is. Man, I need a village, bro. Everything that I felt, praise the Lord. Worship Christ, passing you forward. I know I won't forget all He's done. I actually have so much stuff. Hold on. Wait, let me actually just like. I don't need this. I don't need that. I mean, I don't need. Actually, it's cool though. Oh. Shoot stuff I don't need. Let's see. I don't need the bow. I can just craft one. String. I don't need that for now. Stick. I don't need that. TNT. Blah blah blah. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, cave again. I haven't found a village yet, bro. I want a village. Like, I want to live near there. But I want to do some stuff with like my base, you know. You know, like kind of how like Ryan Trahan did. You know, like he went from 0 to like a big base. Even there's even pathways, dude. It's insane. Oh, whoa, guys, careful. I just want a village. I don't even have like a base yet. Cause if I put my base far from a village, we're cooked. We're dead. I think here actually looks more better. I haven't really beaten Minecraft yet, but I wanna beat it anyways. That's a big jungle. Wow. I have never found a desert temple in survival for some reason, but hopefully in this world I will probably find I'll probably find one. What is this? What the heck? What the heck? Dude, what the mango? What the mango? I have no idea what this is. But guess we need to find out. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Chester, you're gonna die, bro. Oh wow. Some bamboo. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There's levers. Huh? Did I activate something? I've never been here before. What did I activate? Hold on. So, there's something here. I have no idea what I'm doing. What? So, huh? What am I trying to open here? Just like something right here. Oh. Oh, I could've just done that. Okay, cool. I guess it's like a very old structure because I remember. I like notice. That's like a really old structure. For some reason, that's the only time I've ever got across it. Oh, wait. Oops. Oops. My bad. Let's actually just go to the desert, bro. Let's just go to the desert. Oh, another parrot! Oh, I want the green one. I want the green one. Yes! Oh my gosh! Where's my other parrot? Come here. Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go. What? Oh wait, oh wait. Oh, okay, okay. Chester, look! Ow! I got 2 more parrots. I don't like this one. I mean, it looks cool, but I like green. So, that's too bad. You know what? Even though, still gonna feed you anyways because I like you. Oh, what? And what space for this one? Oh, okay. I guess I'll just have 3 parrots now. That I'm probably never gonna feed when I make a base. It's nice. Actually, no, it's not nice. What the heck? I have like 3 parrots that are useless except for Chester. Chester, the dog, is so useful, bro. Um, uh, Chester, just don't fall. Yes. I think I just like want to find a village. I want to find a village, but there's no village, which makes me angry. But I want a village, but there's no village. You know, there's no village. There's no village. Chester, you gotta chill, bro. Oh, wow. I have so many parrots. Why did I do this? If I break a single block here, then yeah, I'm not doing that. Let's go down, down. Gosh, man, there's no village. Or any like structures. Oh, there's a camel. Hello. Hello. What's good, man? I haven't seen you before. What? Whoa. Okay, see you later, man. Or maybe like not. I don't know. What's that? Oh, it's just a mountain. Thought I heard something. La la la. Oh, what? Am I just going the wrong way? Where am I? Do I even know where I'm going? Like, what if I'm just going in circles? No, I'm just gonna keep going this way. I'm just gonna keep going this way. Because I feel like I'm just going in circles. I have so many pets. Why'd I do this? Whoa. Oh wait, this is cool. Hopefully it's next to a village though. Please be next to a village. Oh look. Look, Chester! Look, it's your brothers. Did one of them just whimper? Or did the dog whimper? So... Oh, I see lava right next to the water. I can make another portal right now, bro. But I don't know how to do that speedrun thing, so that's too bad. Oh my gosh. I'm getting confused because there's so many bamboo biomes and I think I'm going in circles or not. It's making me confused. Oh, wow. Hold on, wait, that's a nice view. Wait. Oh my gosh, whoa. Whoa. I wonder what this will look like with shaders, but I'm probably like... But I have to like lower my... Yeah, whatever. I'm good with shaders, but... It's just like I have to lower my render distance. What the heck? Whoa. So much bamboo. What? Oh gosh, that's too much. Holy. Many bamboo, many bamboo. I hear so much. There's like lava. Anyways, there's just like lava and water everywhere. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm just. This looks nice. Whoa! Wow! This looks cool. Hold on. the heck? Wait, this looks awesome. It's like a big pond here, and then you can even exit. What? That's cool. And I haven't found a single panda. Even though it's a bamboo biome, I haven't found a single panda. I haven't found a single panda. Where's the pandas? Where's the Kung Fu Panda? Kung Fu Panda. Oh, when will I find a village? I'm not gonna cheat. Rah, rah, rah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where's the... I don't know. Oh, what? Another... Okay. I mean, it's not better than a village, but it depends on the loot. Oh, okay. You can take this. Take this. You... let's see. I don't need this. I don't need that. Can you stop? Obsidian, yes. Oh, I have so many. Wow. 2 fire charges. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. Can you stop? Yo. Chester? Gosh. Chester, sit down. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I don't need jungle planks. Okay. Oh, I do need flint though. Okay. Chester, here you go. Careful, Chester. Chester. Yeah, good. Guys, when will we find a village? But I don't even know how to indicate a village. Oh. Uh-oh. I need food actually. Why'd I... I'm gonna get some food. Cows, yeah. I have a spear, what am I doing? I have a spear. So, diggity. Where's my... Oh, it's right there. Woo. Why do I have so many parrots? Why did I do this? What? Jessica, can you stop barking? Chester, stop. Okay. Yay, I have food. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. What? Actually, I don't need a map. I already, like... Fire charge. Let's waste this. How do you do it again? Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Let's just, I hate this too. Yeah. Yeah. Don't actually do that, guys. Don't do that in real life. Don't do that. Okay, guys, just keep exploring. Oh. What? No. This can't be the end of the road, bro. Please. What the heck? It looks like Godzilla. It looks like Godzilla. What the heck? I mean, what the free? What am I? What am I? What? What the? What the? What? Chester. Chester, just stay there, buddy. Chester. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got so flabbergasted that I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice the ravine. Anyways, what? What is this? I'm finding legendary spots. Oh, guys, but I like lose my base easily, so I don't know. But I need like a village to be near. Or maybe I don't. I don't know. Suck at the game anyways. Just gonna waste my top or something. It's a game called Hello Neighbor. What? Oh. Chester, move. Chester. Jess. Jess. Okay, that was useless. I like my eyes passed before my eyes when I like fell down that ravine, bro. Crazy, bro. Please stop. Okay, I made it. Chester, do not die. What the heck? What is this? Bro. What is this world generation? Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. Can you move? Thank you. What is this world generation, bro? And I'm risking my life just to go up this mountain. What? What? Huh? Doesn't make sense. I'm gonna place like boosh. Okay. I guess I'll just whatever. Move, Chester. What kind of generation is this? It's insane. It's getting dark, bro. Look at this. What is this kind of what? It's crazy. I'm gonna put a mark. Boom. Oh yeah. What is this? What? It looks so cool. Dude, it looks awesome. Look at this, bro. I want to explore the whole place, but I have like somewhere to go. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything stupid. What? What kind of generation is this, bro? Just gotta be careful. Okay. Whoa. What? This generation is wild, bro. There's just a pillar here. Whoa. Okay, don't die. Don't die. Oh. Okay. La 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 la. Oh. This looks so cool. It's a floating block. That's so useless. What the heck? It's so cool. And guess what? Not a single village. It's crazy, right? Maybe I just need to wait. Maybe I just need to be patient. Bro, this generation is just so cool, bro. Look, there's a hole between what? This seed is crazy, bro. Let me see. I don't know. Ugh. So I can't find what seed it is. I'm just stupid. I'm too stupid to know what. Wow. 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 This looks insane. So how do I get down? Just walk on the trees. Oh gosh. Okay. I forgot there's vines. Vine clutch. Oh. That was the coolest world generation I've ever seen, bro. That is awesome. So cool. That was actually like, ah, ow. Thought I could vine clutch, but I can't. Oh no. Okay. What? They be giving me the most useless seeds, bro. I will just make another one. What is this? What? I don't get it. Chester. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I forgot about Chester. Chester. Chester, where you at, buddy? Get on my boat. Chester. Oh, these. Oh, okay, good. Get on the boat, Chester. Good. Okay. You guys can fly. Don't need a boat. I'm gonna get in like the worst. I mean the weirdest songs, bro. Whoa. So many bamboo islands. It actually looks so majestic. I don't know where to go, bro. I actually don't know where to go. There's so many places, but I've been stuck in this like jungle biome for so long. I didn't even turn on large biomes, dude. I might be going the wrong way. What? It's just a whole river. Is it? What? What the heck? What the heck? What the freak? What are these kind of generations? What am I experiencing right now? Oh, this looks. Oh, that looks nice. Oh wow. Oh wow, that looks nice. Whoa. Okay. Um. These enemy stuff. What the heck? Bro, this looks so weird. Why did it just come out randomly? Oh. I can get more cobblestone. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. Wow, I could have killed you. And I would have done that. Who said that? Oh, iron. There's iron right there. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Ooh, yeah. What the? What? Stop, please. This green bird is gonna kill me, bro. Oh my gosh. What? Whoa. Wow, look, there's a tree on top of the tree. Isn't that crazy? What are these mountains? They just appear out of nowhere, bro. Like, what? And look at this whole thing. It's so cool. It's so awesome. Ow. So, oh, if that's the same, no, I think that's the same one. I went in circles. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, insane, bro. What is this mountain? You gotta focus. You gotta focus. Ay, ay, ay. This is a bird, bro. This is a bird, bro. I heard a creeper. Look at that. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, oh my gosh, dude, what? Oh, oh, oh. I've been looking for a village for so long. And I have like 3 pet parrots. I'm probably not even gonna take care of. Chester's all the way in the back for some reason. Birch biome. Pumpkins. Yet no village. What? Okay. No village yet. Everything that I felt, praise Lord. That's the most useless block I've ever seen. Why is this in the air? What the heck? What? No, it's my cards. It's not your cards. These are mine. Leave me alone. Oh look, horses. Wow. I have a golden apple, but I'm gonna use it. That's for me. Why does it look like Godzilla spitting out water? Look like Godzilla spitting out water. It looks like Godzilla spitting out water, bro. I just, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, there's so many animals here. Hello, sheep. Hello, sheep. Hello, sheep. Hello cow. Hello sheep. Okay. So many floating chunks. Wow. Wow. All I did was create rope. Whoa. Gold clutch. Okay. Whatever, man. Man, sahur. Man, sahur. Man, sahur. Sword. Hello, sheep. Oh wait, I could get a dog armor from there. Ah, looks like I didn't get dog armor. Alright, Chester, get in the boat. Chester, 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 Chester. Where's the other parrot? Where's Chester? 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 Oh gosh, Chester, where are you, bro? Chester! 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 Where? Chester! Chester! I think I know what the creeper sound was. I think I know what the creeper sound was. Gosh dang it, dude. So I figured out why the creeper sound was playing in the skeleton. Gosh. Oh! Whatever, I'll try to do. didn't even get to see him. I didn't get to see him. Like, I couldn't save him. He just went down there. Out of all the holes, he never went down. Probably because there's like a monk. Oh, come on. I had that dog ever since I started the world. Like, I just like killed so many skeletons. When I was like at a cave, when I spawned next to a cave, there was so many skeletons. And I killed them. And I found a dog. I've exploited him. I always exploited him. But he died sadly. Which sucks. Man, bro, that dog, I was actually gonna take care of him. Dude. It's just a dog. Oh, what the heck is this world generation? It's just so many mountains again, bro. What? What is happening? I could build a house here. Look at this. I could... Anyways, I could like build a house here, dude. Look at this. Such a nice view. Look at this. And there's a ruined portal. What? Wow. Let's go to that ruined portal. Okay, this party. Look at that. It's like weird, but it's also beautiful. Except for that, that's just weird. It's just weird. Where's the portal? I mean, it didn't even blow up though. How did he die? It never even, the creeper never even blew up. There was no blow up sound. What the heck is going on with my world? These mountains, bro. They're so useless. Yet they look so like, they look so good though. And I could make them useful. Oh, thought you were chested. Whoa. Really thought that was Chester. Dude. Reminds me of like my brother. He got a dog when I was still young. When I was like in once. And I just he got sick and died sadly. But I never really knew and I never really cared, so gosh dang. Where's the village, bro? I need a village. Ow. What? I just went in circles. I just went in circles again, bro. I went in circles again. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I'll upload next time. Someday, tomorrow, next year. I don't know. Bye bye.